On the edge of the bed, where the starlight fell, Kale and Ryan sat under Harp's spell. Golden strings shimmered, alive with a hum, a force vast and ancient, where love had begun. Their shoulders touched, their hearts beat as one. The universe watched as their journey was spun. Through trials and fear, they had come so far, now bound by the harp and the light of the stars. Oh, the harp sang a song of the cosmos above, of courage and fear, of unending love. Its golden glow, a bridge to the divine, binding two souls through space and time. Kale whispered low, I never thought we'd be here. Ryan's hand found his, steady and clear. Not by chance, Ryan said, with a tender gaze, we're written in the stars, in the harp's golden blaze. Outside the window, the nebulous world, but inside their hearts, another world. The harp's hum grew as if it could see the love that was stronger than eternity. Oh, the harp sang a song of the cosmos above, of courage and fear, of unending love. Its golden glow, a bridge to the divine, binding two souls through space and time. But whispers of shadows crept through the night, Sereth and Epla drawn to the light. The harp's not for love, Sereth coldly declared, its power, its destiny, to be claimed if you dare. Kale stood firm, his voice soft but strong. Our sons are no mistake, they belong. Ryan's tears fell like stars, a quiet plea. They're not yours to take, they're part of me. Oh, the harp sang a song of the cosmos above, of courage and fear, of unending love. Its golden glow, a bridge to the divine, binding two souls through space and time. The harp cried out as the cocoons were torn, a symphony twisted, their sons reborn. Kale and Ryan vowed, with fire in their eyes, to the ends of the stars, we'll bring them alive. Through galaxies vast, through shadows and pain, they'd fight for their sons again and again. The harp still shimmered, though broken and scarred. Its melody carried their love in its heart. Oh, the harp sang a song of the cosmos above, of courage and fear, of unending love. Its golden glow, a bridge to the divine, binding two souls through space and time. On the edge of the bed, where the starlights fell. Kale and Ryan vowed under Harp's spell. For love is a force that no shadow can bind, a song of the cosmos, eternal and kind.